exercise number 13.1 of a probability. Question number 1. Given that uh, E and F events such that P of E is equal to 0.6, P of F is equal to 0.3, P of E intersection F is equal to 0.2, and we have to find out both P of E by F and P of F by E. Now you are familiar with the formula. P of E by F is equal to, this is the formula that you know very well, alright, that we already discussed. So P of F intersection E upon P of F, because F is already occurred, so that event will come down. Now value is given, P of E intersection F is equal to 0.2, that you replace, and P of F is 0.3. So your answer is 2 upon 3. Similarly, you can calculate question number 2. Alright, F upon E, same directly. Question number 2 is similar. Now question number 3. Once again, same type of question is there. P of A is given, P of B is given. But this time P of B by A is available and we have to find out intersection. So once again I will use same formula. P of B by A is equal to P of B by A is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A, and P of B by A is available, that is 0.4. Now P of A is given, P of A is equal to 0.8, P of A equal to 0.8. So replace that value, so intersection you will get directly 0.32. Now second thing, you have to find out P of A by B. So I think that you can find out very easily. P of A by B, you write down a formula. P of A intersection B upon P of B. Intersection is 0.32, that we already obtained. And P of B is 0.5. So ratio is 0.64. Third one you have to find out, that is P of A union B. Now A union B is equal to, you know that this formula you should know, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A and P of B is available. Alright, intersection we already obtained. So final answer is 0.98. You can see how simple it is. If you know one formula, you can solve all the question. Okay, going towards question number 5. Similar type of question I am not doing. Once again, let me tell you. Question number 5. P of A, P of B union is available and we have to find out intersection A by B and B by A. You can see every time we are using only few formula. Union is equal to, you know that P of A plus P of B plus minus P of A intersection B, and union is available, so 7 upon 11. P of A is 6 upon 11, P of B is 5 upon 11 given. Intersection we have to find out, union is available, so final answer intersection is equal to 4 upon 11. Once you have an intersection, then I think P of A by B and P of B by A is not difficult, because intersection available, P of B is available. Intersection we already obtained, P of A is available. Replace that value. Alright, P of A intersection B 4 by 11, that we obtained. P of B is 5 upon 11, so answer is 4 by 5. Now question number 7 we are discussing. Here from question number 7 onwards we have to find out P of E by F everywhere. Two coins are tossed once where E tail appear on a coin, that is an event, and F one coin shows head. Then we have to find out E by F. Alright, so this is the first question. Let us see how to find out. First of all, I will suggest you, or the method is this, you must find out what is your sample space. So you know very well, when you toss a two coin, then outcomes are 4 HH, HT, TH, TT is equal to HH, HT, TH and TT. Now E is tail is what is event E? E indicate tail appear 1 on coin. So HTTH this will be the outcome and event F that is H is appear on one point. Now what will be the probability of event F? Event F is 2 by 4 because total outcome for F is 2, you can see over here. So P of F equal to 2, total outcome that is here 4. So 1 upon 2. And if you take intersection of event E and F, the common elements are H, T, T, H. Now, what will be the probability of P of E intersection F? That will be once again 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, I want to find out P of E by F. P of E by F. So, formula is P of E intersection F upon P of F. So, answer is 1. Okay. Now, question number 2 in the same manner. E event E not tail appear, not tail appear, and F no head appear. So let us write down that event no tail appear. So only H is appearing. Alright, and similarly no tail appear, no H appear, it means only T is appear. Now if you take an intersection, then intersection is null set. Alright, now very easily you can calculate P of E intersection F equal to 0, then intersection equal to null set, then probability will be 0. So 0 upon anything, answer is 0. Okay, now going ahead to question number 9. Once again find out E by F. Alright, this is very interesting question. Mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. Now we have to find out P of E by F. So when I say find out or when they instruct find out E by F, then you require P of F as well as P of E intersection F. This thing we require as we calculated above. Okay, what is event E? Sun on one end. Alright, and F, father is in the middle. Okay, first of all, let me write down all the outcome. So, these are the outcome MFS, MSF, FMS, FSM, SMF and SFM. Alright, so these are the outcome total. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outcome we have. So total number of outcome is 6. Okay, and that you can understand very well. You are familiar with the formula of 3 factorial. So total outcome will be 6 because we have a 6 object and in how many way you can arrange. Okay, now E is event. Sun is on one end. The meaning is simple. Sun may be in the beginning, means on the first place, or sun may be on the last page. So sun, you can see here, this is first event, second event, third event and fourth event. These are the possible outcomes. So that I am writing over here MFS, FMS, SMF and SFM because these are the possible outcome 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then father is in the middle. Now you just check where the father is coming in the middle. Alright, say father is in the middle here, father is in the middle last one. So MFS and SFM. So total outcome is 2 for event F. Now intersection you can find out very easily. So this is your intersection. Now once you have a outcome F E intersection F, then I think it is not very difficult to find out of probability. So probability P of E intersection F is equal to 2 by 6 because favorable outcome is 2 over here. So 2 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 3. And for F also we have a 2 outcome. This is also 2. So 2 is F is equal to 1 upon 3. And if you want to find out E by F, then P of E intersection F upon P of F is equal to 1. Alright, fortunately in both cases, in both answer, we are getting answer 1. It is not necessary always you will get one answer. Okay, now I am